So this is again how the template looks like. Who help you, which is the key partner. What do you do? How you help, which is the value provided. How you help your client or your colleague or the company that you work in. Who you are and what you have, which is the key resources. What you give, the time, the money. What you get, which include the satisfaction and the salary or income. How you interact with your client or your colleague, how they know you, and how you deliver. It can be remotely or face to face. This is an example.